Just if I were to pick up a vibe of you is I think you're trying too hard. Like, correct me if I'm wrong, but I kind of get the vibe from you that like you've maybe it's all your life since a child, maybe it's more recently, like you've got this kind of identity of like, I don't want this to sound wrong, but like Little Miss Perfect.
It's something I've known, but it's like I don't know how to overcome it. So like I've even had to post it and literally on my pre-call checklist it says perfection is not real. So I think it's more of like embodying it that's been a
Yeah,
little
I
difficult.
think I think that's why it's not working for you, that thing on the pre-call checklist. It's not that perfection's not real. Because even that is like some weird sadistic reverse psychology of like you trying to get past the perfectionism. It's realizing that perfection is real, but you were perfect when you were born. You didn't need to do anything to be perfect. You didn't need to have all of the books behind you. You didn't have to have the perfect backdrop. You're perfect just because you exist. So perfection does exist, but you always had it. You have it right now, and you will always have it, no matter what you do. Therefore, you don't have to do anything outside to claim the title of Little Miss Perfect. You just have to exist.
Yeah,
So it's
comes from
reading the prequel checklist and realizing that yes, perfection does exist, but you already are that. And you just being alive right now, turning up to your sales calls, is you being in your perfection. Therefore, you don't have to try and overwork the questions, the things, the sales thing, doing sales, doing the call, doing the thing. Like, you don't have to do anything. Does this
and
make
it's
sense?
crazy because like I've often asked myself since being in the mastermind like why do things feel so hard? And I think it's like me trying to fight that side or maybe holding on to that identity. Yeah.
And the thing is like think of it from like the mirror that when you're turning up to the sales call, telling yourself, and this was like the reverse psychology thing, like, oh, perfection doesn't exist, as in like some way of detaching yourself from the need to be perfect by telling yourself that it doesn't exist, which is actually
Hmm.
the same fucking thing upside down. So let's go back to the original. You turning up to the sales call and saying, I need to be perfect. What's that communicating to your prospects? That they're not perfect as they are, or they're not good enough as they are, and they need to do the thing to get the approval, as opposed to your prospects deserve love and approval and validation and significance just because they exist. Whether they buy from you or they don't buy from you, or they accept their rationalizing, or they keep making excuses, they're still human beings that deserve love. They're perfect just because they exist. They're perfect with all of their faults. Whereas you telling yourself that you're not good enough slash perfect if you make any faults, you're telling that same thing to your prospect indirectly through your communication of what you believe reality to be. And what you believe reality to be will be the reality that you experience. So it's like this weird reverse judging your prospects because you're judging yourself so hard, but you're telling yourself you're not, because you're telling yourself, I'm just going to try and get everything right and I'm going to try and care about my prospects. You don't have to do the caring thing. You have to actually care about yourself by realizing you're already enough. And then when you turn up to your calls, your prospects will feel that. And when they no longer feel that external pressure to have to step up to be more, they choose to step up to be more. They want to be more because they have it inside of them, as opposed to this weird thing of like, oh, I need to step up and be more so that I get approval that I'm good enough. That's actually the thing that makes people not want to do it, which is why we run the mastermind the way we do, which is like, you don't need a sales call to know that you deserve to go to the next level. You already know that you deserve to not earn only 20K a month in commissions, and you deserve to self actualize, and you deserve to serve your prospects. So join when you want to join. Does this make sense?
Yeah, a lot of sense.
All right, folks. I think on that note, how many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.